Are you tired of fumbling through payroll setup and worrying about missing a tax for? Run your first Gusto payroll in under 5 minutes. We'll start by setting up your company profile, then add tax details and bank info, and finally, run your first payroll. Start by opening Gusto and landing on the company dashboard. Then click over to view the payroll setup requirements to see what's needed. Now hit Fill Out Company Profile and complete the company information to get started. Next, use Find Your Business to locate and add your business details. Then, add your personal details with the required personal information. Now choose your pay schedule by clicking Choose Pay Schedule to set how often payroll runs. Then, add your company tax details via Add Company Tax Details and fill in the tax info. After taxes, connect your company bank account by clicking Add Company Bank Account. Then click Sign Documents to complete the required payroll documents. Once that's done, click Gusto Reviews Your Account to check the review status. Finally, run your first Gusto payroll to begin processing your first payroll, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.